Hi everyone, it's Nick Moody here from Nick Moody Comedy Funny Talk YouTube channel. This video is going to all be about washing my car. How exciting, eh? What it is, I've finally put my hand in my pocket, got a pressure washer and bought the AutoGlym Polar range. So this video is going to be about the Polar Blast. It's a snow foam. So basically the car's going to be as wet as an otter's pocket. It's going to be covered in snow. And I think what happens is you leave it for 10 minutes and the foam agitates the dirt. You pressure wash it off and then, hey presto, your car is nice and clean. Take a look. So, I think I cocked up with the mixture. Although I did the 5:1 ratio, the car wasn't covered in the snow foam that I thought it would be. I did it all again on the blue C43 diesel AMG line that I've also got, and that seemed to foam up really well, like what the videos all show. So I am still over the moon with it. It's made the car really bright and white. Definitely give it a 10 out of 10, and I think it was just me, operator stroke user error, in determining the amount of snow foam that actually gets applied to the vehicle. So I'll definitely be using it again. And I've also got the Polar Wash, and I think it's called a Polar Seal. So again, watch this space for future videos on them. Take it easy.